Looking to give your Honda HRV a fresh new look and protect those seats from everyday wear and tear? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the best seat covers for your Honda HRV. From stylish upgrades to heavy-duty protectors, let's dive in and find the perfect fit for your ride. If you're after that factory fresh look without actually replacing your seats, the CoverDream custom fit seat covers are a total game changer. Designed specifically for 2023 to 2025 Honda HRV models, Sport and LX trims, these covers fit like a glove, crafted from firm hand leather. They block spills, resist heat, and feel solid under your fingertips. And the stitching, it mirrors the original interior so well, most people won't even realize they're seat covers. We're talking premium buckles, sturdy piping, hidden airbag cutouts for safety, and a snug, slide-free fit that looks like it came straight from the factory. Installation takes a bit of effort, but once they're on, the payoff is huge. These don't just protect your seats, they seriously upgrade your interior. Coming in strong at number 4, the EKR custom fit seat covers are made for those who want durability, comfort, and a near-OEM finish, all without breaking the bank. Designed specifically for 2019 to 2022 Honda HRV models, including Sport, EX, EXL, and Touring trims, these covers deliver a premium feel with serious protection. They feature a 4-layer construction, including a tough leatherette surface that's water-resistant, breathable, and easy to clean. The foam padding underneath adds comfort, while the protective polyester shell ensures long-lasting wear. These covers are tailor-made for your HRV seats, hugging every curve for a snug, secure fit. The stitching is styled to match the factory look, and the high-quality buckles and zippers keep everything locked in place. Installation might test your patience, but the end result, sleek, high-end seat covers that feel thick, look sharp, and stay in place. A little effort goes a long way with these. If you want comfort, durability, and easy installation, all wrapped in a stylish package, check out the Aierxuan car seat covers, designed to fit 99% of vehicles, including the Honda HRV. These universal covers are a solid choice for drivers who want quick protection without compromising on looks. Made from high-grade leather, these seat covers are waterproof, wear-resistant, and perfect for year-round use. The diamond stitch design adds depth and a premium feel to your interior without being too flashy. It's subtle, sleek, and seriously effective. What stands out is how easy these are to install. The instructions are clear, the zippers are high quality, and once on, they fit surprisingly well for a universal option. They clean up easily, feel comfortable, and seem built to last. For the price, you're getting great value and an instant interior upgrade that just works. Sliding into the number 2 spot, we've got the OASIS Auto Car Seat Covers, a top-tier choice for drivers who want style, comfort, and a custom-like fit without the high-end price tag. These covers are designed to fit over 30 of the most popular vehicle models, including the Honda HRV, and they do it with serious style. The faux leather has a luxurious, supple feel that instantly upgrades your interior. It's not too hot in the summer, not too cold in the winter, just right all year round. Installation is smooth and straightforward, and the fit, no sagging, no wrinkles, just a clean, professional finish. They're waterproof, easy to clean, and durable enough to hold up over time. Plus, those high-quality zippers make removal just as easy when it's time to clean. Whether you're protecting new seats or transforming an older interior, these covers deliver a premium look and feel without the premium cost. For comfort, protection, and serious style, OASIS Auto delivers in a big way. And taking the number 1 spot, Coverado car seat covers. These aren't just seat covers, they're a full-on upgrade to your car's interior. Designed using advanced 3D modeling, these covers bring a modern, stylish touch while keeping a factory-like fit across most cars, SUVs, trucks, and pickups, including the Honda HRV. Crafted from genuine feel Nappa leather, they offer an ultra-soft touch, serious durability, and long-term comfort. They're breathable, waterproof, and fade-resistant, ready to protect your seats from spills, stains, pet hair, and even UV rays. But what really sets Coverado apart is how seamlessly they integrate with your car's existing features. The design allows full use of airbags, seatbelts, armrests, and adjustments. The separate headrest covers add to both the custom fit and your overall comfort. Installation, surprisingly easy. With the included chucks and hooks, and a detailed instruction guide or video to follow, you'll get a perfect fit in no time. And once they're on, you're set for years of protection and style. Thick, soft, real leather feel, great fit, easy setup, and a price that makes it all the more impressive. Coverado takes the crown for the best Honda HRV seat covers out there.